for that all year, that stick. Finally found it. That's the one. That's the one. It was a good day. Found that stick. I'm looking for that stick. Whitefish by the tail. Still a whitefish. Well, we had him by the tail, so we're gonna let him go. Good fish, good fish. Ooh, good fish. Come on. Good fish. Whatever. Oh, nice steal. Another snagged whitey. Come on. Another snagged whitey. July 9th, 1909, disaster struck the Sault Ste. Marie Canal when a freighter crashed into the upstream lock, sending a tidal wave of water crashing into the downstream lock and a few boats on the ride of a lifetime. The Sault Canal Emergency Swing Dam was put into action. This metal structure operates by swinging over the canal and dropping wicket gates into the water, slowing the water flow, allowing for repairs. I'll take that job, one shift every 100 years. All night I couldn't sleep. I thought about them 2 snagged whitefish. So when morning came, snowstorm and all, I headed back down to the river in hopes of finding some redemption. Now do me a favor. In exchange for all this fishing knowledge, all I ask is that you subscribe to the channel. And if you're really feeling generous, you can hit that thumbs up. First cast. This little trout. And he's got worms hanging out of his mouth. He's got a worm hanging out of his mouth. And he tried to eat my tube. Don't you come fishing down here sometimes?
Not me.
Oh.
I don't have a fishing license.
Oh.
And I don't like fishing, really.
No. Me neither when it's like this. You need a little push?
Sort of.
Yeah, okay. I'll give you a push.
No, I'm gonna fall through. I'm about to go down. I got no brakes. So.
Try go forward now.
Thank you.
There you go. Come on. Give me a good one right now. Come on, St. Mary's, give one up. Got one. Finally. Alright, now we're gonna worry about landing it. Little pink salmon still hanging around. We'll take it. Hey. We'll take it. A little pink salmon still swimming around down there. Well, let's put them back. Even though he's at the end of his life cycle, let's let him finish his life. Thank you, St. Mary's.